So tell me, what are the Pink Pistols?
Pink Pistols is a national LGBT self-defense organization. We're heavily focused on training the LGBT community in armed and unarmed self-defense.
Why did you first purchase a gun?
For a lot of people, Orlando made individuals question, do I need a firearm for self-defense?
People wouldn't have died if someone was there and had a gun.
There's no guarantee, but it would have changed the odds.
You know, when seconds count, the police are often minutes or hours away. A 100-pound female has a chance against 4 linebackers if she's carrying.
It seems like an oddly specific situation. 4 linebackers, 1 100-pound girl, and then she'll pick up a, I don't know how guns work, so I guess it looks something like
Something
this.
like that.
Crack, 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 and then the equalizer. Would you consider yourselves politically liberal, conservative, or neither?
My views are probably some of the ones that line up with the gays from the 60s and 70s, where it's like, hey man, look, mom and dad kicked you out, you know, no one wants you. You're gonna have to move to the city, kid, and you're on your own, but...
This is the opening scene from Rant, is that right?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
How does it go?
525,600 minutes.
The cops will take to get to you.
That's a while.
That's why I own a gun.
That's right.
What do liberals not understand about gun ownership?
If someone is living in an area that is safe, where they perceive to be relatively crime-free, that's a very elitist attitude to define how someone chooses to defend themselves.
To be a gun owner is not supporting violence. It is an identity.
So Second Amendment and gun control issues is really an issue of identity politics.
Strangely, yes.
Was it harder to come out as a gun owner or as a queer person?
I feel more accepted as a gay guy in the gun community than a gun owner in the gay community.
Why don't we try it? You come out to me as gun owners.
All right, so something really important I gotta tell you.
Cool, man. I'm your bro, dude.
Yeah.
What's up?
You need you to understand, I own 15 guns.
Wait, say what, bro?
I own 15 guns.
Get out of my house!
I wish that wasn't as accurate as it often is.
Okay.
We've been through some good times and some bad times and some weird times.
Yeah, Amsterdam.
There is a part of me that I have been hiding from you, and
Yes. There is one thing that you could say that would make me stop loving you, and there's no way it's true of you.
I am a
Don't say you're a gun owner. Oh, that was the thing, Fred. That was the one thing. Ah. All right, Piper.
So Moshe, there's something that I've been wanting to tell you. I'm a gun owner.
Oh, Piper, hail to the no, Piper, to the no, 565,600 minutes. Oh, Piper, Piper. I love you no matter what.
Thank you.